Maybe this is you with the Knight of Pentacles energy. Maybe you're waiting here for someone to offer something solid to you. But for some reason, this is not just someone. Because this is, I think, someone here that you're loving for quite a long time already. Matagal ka nang may gusto sa kanya, ganun yung energy. And you are waiting for this person here to offer you his or her love, affection. Okay, so let's see. This person here could be younger than you, or the other one could be younger or older than the other, but we do not have any gender, so just take how this resonates. Okay? With the double energy right here, hindi ko nakikita na ito ay isang negative na energy. Bagkus ang double energy rito no, is nagpapakita ng sobrang obsessed na pagtitiwala no, sa bagay na ito. So kung sino man tong gusto mo, no, gusto mo pa rin siya rito. No? So hindi nagbago yung feelings mo para sa kanya. So kahit parang lumilipas yung mga araw, oras, taon, siya at siya pa rin. No? Siya at siya at siya at siya, siya at siya pa rin. Yan. Sino kaya yung lucky person na yan? Alamin, alamin. Okay, let's go ahead and get other infos. Oh, I guess. Okay, nice. Good. Yan, no? Wow. Captured, no? Captured na captured talaga yung reading natin dito. So, bago natin simulan ang reading na to for you guys, no, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome. Tuloy po kayo rito sa community namin. At sa mga pabalik-balik kong viewers, no, dito man at sa iba pang mga channel, kung hindi nyo pa knows, may iba pa tayong mga channels, no. Ang mga links po ay nasa description box, okay? So, yan mga babes, wala tayong gender dito ha. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that because this is general reading right here. Okay. So, from the looks of it, by the way, this is timeless ha. Pwedeng nangyari na to, pwedeng nangyayari ngayon, at sa iba ay pwedeng hindi pa. At isang prediction sa kanilang future. First, nakikita ko dito. We've got here the Queen of Cups energy. Four of Coins energy. Look at that. Okay. The Temperance, which is my bartender. I mean, who is my bartender? The universe itself. So, Six of Swords, and there's this Nine of Wands. Wow. So, nakita ka dito that you have this love. Gusto mo tong tao na to. Mahal mo na siya. Yan, no? And this is yung ramdam na ramdam mo. Yan, no? Ramdam na ramdam mo ang alin, no? Ramdam mo na itong tao na to ay may gusto rin sa'yo. Parang ikaw to, na sigurado ka about that, no? Na parang sinasabi ng mga ibang tao sa paligid ninyo, ay, you give up na with that person. Hindi ka niya like or hindi ka niya gusto. Tinan mo nga, oh, ina-avoid, iniiwasan ka niya. Tsaka kung matagal ka nang gusto niya, di sana may ginawa niya yun noon pa, no? Hindi, may gusto talaga to sa akin. Nararamdaman ko talaga, hoy, hindi pa ako nagkamali sa mga gut feeling ko, tigilan mo ko. Bahala ka, magpantasya ka all you want. May mga gano'n nakatrabaho, kaibigan, no, na nakakapansin sa'yo. no? Kasi mukhang meron ka ritong person, no, that you keep inside your heart, no? Like, matagal mo na rin siyang gusto, no? And nararamdaman mo for some reason, kakaiba yung nararamdaman mo na parang gusto rin ako nitong person ko. Yan, no? Gusto rin ako nitong person na to na nagugustuhan ko. You are already considering this person your person, no? So, ano nga ba yung nangyayari dito? Kasi nakikita ko rito, mga babes, no? Posible na either may age gap dito. Pwede may agwat sa inyong edad, no? Doesn't have to be na malayo yung agwat, no? Pero may agwat sa edad, no? Or kung hindi ito sa edad, may agwat sa status, no? May mga involvement ng mga goals at mga pangarap in life. May ganun tayong nakikita rito. So, nakikita ko rito that the person here you're dealing with, no, is iniiwasan ka niya, posibleng wala siya ritong ginagawang action, like hindi ka niya obvious na nililigawan, or hindi ka niya obvious rito na ini-express na talagang gusto ka niya, no? Pero, alam mo yung nararamdaman mo, no, na parang sa mga little na actions, like yung mga tingin niya sa'yo, you feel so connected with that person for some reason, like you cannot explain. Like, I cannot explain what that means, but I just feel it strongly and I believe na may gusto rin siya sa akin. Yun, ganun. Kalakas yung loob mo, no? At hihintayin ko tong tao na to, no? Parang other people around you, gaano ka nakakasigurado? Hindi naman niya sinabi sa'yo, ah. At saka normal lang yun, no? Katrabaho mo siya, binibigyan ka niya rito ng kape, no? What's special from that, no? Eh, binigyan niya rin naman ng kape yung iba, no? And ikaw lang ba binibigyan ng kape? Pag binigyan ka ng kape, gusto ka na. Yung mga nasa paligid mo, no, they're bitter. Kasi nakikita nila, no, is what they just saw using their eyes. Pero ikaw, yung nakikita mo is more than what the eyes can see. Ibig sabihin, you trust your intuition, you trust your gut feeling, you trust that this person likes you. Hindi, iba talaga yung napapansin ko. Iba yung nararamdaman ko. Gusto niya ako. Sa mga tingin niya sa'yo, sa mga little gestures, little actions, to maybe this person here is not telling you directly that he or she likes you. Okay? Pero, like kanya. Yan, diba? Like kanya, gusto kanya, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, nakita ko rito, na posibleng nagkaroon ng conversation sa inyong dalawa. Yung iba, pwedeng hindi niya sinabi directly. So, just take only what resonates. So, I mentioned that because I saw it here. Okay? So, nakita ko rito na posibleng inamin niya sa'yo na gusto ka niya. At kung inamin niya sa'yo, mga babes, no, nakita ko rito na maaaring ang conversation na mangyari sa inyo is this, no. I like you, ano, pero, you know, alam mo yung ganito ha, actually, hindi ka niya like eh. Actually, mahal ka niya. Diba? Mahal na mahal ka niya, pero, ayan no, bakit may pero pa miss yan? Kasi ito na nga yung babanggitin ko. No? Mahal na mahal ka niya, pero, hindi pa ito yung tamang oras para magkaroon ng relationship sa inyo. Bakit? Just like what I've told you, there could be other plans here, no, na gusto po niyang gawin. Gusto mo na niyang isagawa. May mga pangarap pa siya rito, na gusto niya rito, mga babes, no, na magawa mo na itong mga bagay na to. Yan, no. But this person here, parang, the conversation has to do with this, na parang, I like you, collective, gusto kita, mahal kita, pero hindi pa to yung tamang time para magkaroon tayo ng relasyon. Kasi gusto ko muna na matapos muna ito. Kung ano man yung mga gusto niyo tapusin. Gusto ko munang makuha ito. Gusto ko munang matapos. May mga ganun, no? Gusto ko munang matapos yung pagpapagawa ng bahay. Gusto ko muna na ma-promote sa trabaho. Gusto ko muna makapag-ipon at makapagpundar ng negosyo habang nagwo-work. Gusto ko munang ma-reach itong level na to. You know? Pero mahal kita. Yan, no? Parang ito, ginagawa niya to, mga babes, no? Hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para maipagmalaki mo rin siya. kundi para rin sa future ninyo. Para ngayon kung maghihintay mo ko sa oras na yun, pwede nang maging tayo. You know? And you will respect that person here. Nakapaghintay ka nga up until this point eh. You trust your intuition, you trust your gut feeling that this person here likes you and loves you and yun talaga. Diba? Mahal ka talaga niya. Okay? So, nakita ko rito that you also trust this person's words. And nire-respeto mo to dahil isa to sa mga bagay na gusto niyang gawin para sa sarili niya. Ang matupad muna ano man yung gusto niyang matupad muna. No? Kasi ayaw mo na one day yun yung hanap-hanapin niya, no? At yun yung parang balik-balikan niya in the future. You have a lot of respect for this person. You're not just loving this person here, but you also have this big respect for this person. And this person here, gusto niyang panghawakan mo yung pangako niya. Isa itong kasunduan sang pangako na kung mahihintay mo siya sa tamang oras na pagdating nito, magiging tayo na talaga. Ooh! Ikaw nga na nagtiwala ka sa intuition mo kahit sobrang dami ng mga tao nakapaligid sa'yo, no? They're telling you, oh, stop that nonsense. Magkagusto ka na lang sa iba. Wala ka ng pag-asa dyan sa tao na gugustuhan mo. And then, you believe and you trust your feelings and emotions. And boom! Gusto ka rin pala talaga niya. Tama ka. Mahal ka rin pala talaga niya. Tama ka. Okay? So, I'm seeing that this person here wants you to wait if you can wait for him or her. And by that time, darating yon, nakita ko rito. Because the Page of Wands energy and there's this King of Wands energy. Okay? I mean, the Six of Wands, but I mentioned the King of Wands right here. This is someone here who is eyeing for that goal. At pag sinabi ng King of Wands, sinabi niya. So, wala tayong gender dito, ano ba, lalaki, LGBT, just take how this resonates. But this person here, you will definitely trust his words. This person here, I'm seeing na with this Two of Cups energy, Three of Wands right in there, Knight of Swords, and that beautiful Three of Coins energy. Matatagumpayan at malalampasan niya yon, makakamit niya yon, ano man yung target, goal, or plan na sinasabi niya rito. Okay? Parang ito ay temporary lamang, no? Temporary lamang ito na parang maghintay ka ngayon or manghawakan mo yung pangako niya. Temporary lamang ito kasi magkakasama rin kayo. You're dealing with the King of Wands energy. And even though it's not here, but I mentioned it. You know, the King of Wands energy is someone who do not take no for an answer. It's always a yes. So, kung meron siya rito mga balak, plano sa buhay, ginagawa niya talaga ang buong makakaya niya para makuha at makamit niya yun. At ang taong ito, yun ang tinataglay niya. No? Ang person ito, ang person mo, yun yung tinataglay niya. No? And you will definitely shock everyone around you. See, you see, you see. Sabi ko sa inyo mahal rin niya ako. Sabi ko sa inyo ano, kayo lang kasi ito, hindi niyo kasi nakikita, no? Kasi yung ginagamit niyo yung mata niyo lang. I think you're gonna brag this to your friends, you're gonna brag this to other coworkers around you or other people around you, no? And you're so happy that you are in love. I'm seeing you right here jumping, hopping for joy and wow, diba? You're right with your feelings and emotions, no? This person here really loves you and this person here will definitely keep his or her promise dahil pagtapos niyang magawa yan, makamit yan, no? Nakita ko rito na kayong dalawa ay talagang magiging official ng kayo. Yan, no? So, nakita ko rito, no, na kung sakali man na parang hindi niya hindi niya sinabi sa'yo, no, or hindi nangyari yung conversation na yun between you guys, no, at direkta na, I mean, hindi direkta na sinabi niya sa'yo pero nagpapatuloy yung nararamdaman mo na gusto ka rin niya. This person is moving in silent. No? Silently siya rito gumagawa ng movement para ma-manifest dito yung goal niya. No? And after that, ipupurso niya ito. So, you're really dealing here with a man or with a woman right here who hold his or her words. At pag sinabi niya, sinabi niya. So, nakita ko rito na itong klase ng connection na to ay magpapatuloy, no? So, parang ito yung klase ng relationship na may respeto. May respeto ka sa person mo dahil sa desisyong gusto niya munang gawin sa ngayon, na malaki rin naman yung magiging kinalaman nito, no, sa'yo in the future. Kasi kayong dalawa yung makikinabang dito, no? Hindi lang niya ito pangarap, kundi pangarap para sa inyong kinabukasan. Diba? So, nakikita ko rito, no, na iso-surprise ka niya. This person will approach you, no, from the back while waiting for this person's paglapit, no, yung arrival niya parating na, no, this is you waiting for that ship of this person here, no, and you will be surprised, no, dahil magiging mabilis na yung movement sa inyong dalawa, no, at natupad niya rin dito yung pangarap niya, no. Maybe this is you, you could be asking, is it too long, miss yan? Baka mamaya sobrang tagal bago ko makapiling yung tao na yun or bago niya matupad yung mga pangarap niya. No, babe. Because this is the person here who appears to be the King of Wands holding this Knight of Swords energy sa kanyang energy, which means this person will not waste any time. Okay? Hindi na siya magpapahinga para matupad yung pangarap niya, kundi tuloy-tuloy yung ibubuhos niya ritong effort every day. So, this person here will not waste any time. So, alam niyang naghihintay ka, hindi ka niya paghihintayin ng matagal. Kasi gusto niya rin, no, sobrang long for, alam mo, I'm seeing two people right here kissing each other very intensely. So this is like that longing, no? To touch your lips. Finally, I'm gonna kiss the person I love with so much love. And for others of you, this is so quick. Hindi na kayo dadaan dun sa courtship. This person, upon arriving in your life again, this person will definitely wants to marry you right away. Right away. Wow. See? You trust your intuition, you trust your gut feelings right here, you believe in this person's words, and now you have this beautiful love story. So how amazing is that? Very amazing. Very awesome. Wow. Wow. I'm seeing you right here that you will be into this type of beautiful love story here, sweetheart. Yeah. Wow. So claim this beautiful message from here. I know that you deserve this. I know. I know that you deserve this. Okay? So whatever it is that you believe inside your heart, believe it. Okay? Continue believing it because it's real. It's true. It's genuine. Okay? So thank you so much for your time spent here. Love and light. Annyeong.